like I haven't been getting no sleep. No sleep.
She just got married.
Is that what it was?
No idea.
I was about to say funeral. Anyways, it's early morning. I have my tea in my protein cup. About to be a long day. Going all the way here, and then hopefully reach back home by 4 o'clock. Is our goal? 4 o'clock, and then we got some liquor and stuff to organize. Then we're going out later to this party called True Colors. This will feature like a whole bunch of different artists and stuff like that. Should be good.
You're real big man today, Jahmiel.
Yeah, we're gonna see Jahmiel. Sings True Colors. Yeah.
Hey, no,
Just catching the title.
Yeah. No, me know this song, you know. But me never pick up say I am singing.
Oh. But yeah, it's supposed to be a good party, hopefully. And it's close to home. I love that it's close to home. You hope no what? No shot?
Yeah. Now, remember say like them show there, man. Once some big artists sit there and I post a big show.
There's always that group of people just to frig up everything, man.
Whereas, like, right tuning them key in the world. Like them tuning.
Oh yeah, man.
I think I need to say some of them sell out to key in the world,
yeah.
You see me? I'm gonna know say how they are for no sell out there.
Yeah.
Them squeeze out.
Do you remember that time when we're at Bonnet, and then we're inside, and I don't remember if it was a state. No, it was like a dance. I think it was after the modeling show or something, and someone bust a gun inside. But it was so loud. Remember in there echoes?
Place.
Yeah. The place not even that big. When someone bust the gun, I was like, what? I like, say word. That's the liquor place? Yes. I didn't know that. Oh, you learn something new every day.
In my exhaust. So,
but yeah, that's what we're doing today. So I guess this whole vlog is gonna be what we did in one day. And we just want to apologize for not being consistent with our uploads, even though we said we were going to. It looks like I'm only gonna be able to upload one vlog a week. I'm really trying to. Yeah, I mean, at least you guys are getting vlogs. I mean, it might take like a week, but the internet where I live it's so garbage, guys. Like, I can't keep buying clips to put on my phone because sometimes it works to upload a video or two, and then sometimes it doesn't work at all. I'm in a sweater because this morning was colder than what it is now. Like, it's getting warm now. My allergies is like on one. My allergies is on one, and nothing more annoying than being on your allergies. There's nothing more annoying than having allergies and your nose is stuffed up and you blow it and nothing's coming out. TMI, but it's so annoying. It's so annoying. And I have allergy pills and I forgot to take one. Makes sense, right? Anyways, my eyes are burning, so Chip Chop Squad, we out for now.
Get it.
Put it up now. Guys, we're at a car wash. I'm so tired. Why does Ziggy always look mad? Someone answer me that question. We're at a car wash on the side of the road. When Ziggy told me about this, I actually never believed him. But yo, the hustle is real out here, and I rate it to the T. I rate these people that hustle so much. Like, man has a shop. And then he's also like doing his car wash on the side road. Like, I rate it. Where's my song? So anyways, there's a part, I don't even know if you guys can hear the music, but there's a party somewhere in the bush over there on the next side. But the party started from 4 o'clock in the morning. It's now, what time is it? 8. It's 8 o'clock. I've never heard of a party that started 4 o'clock in the morning. There's beer soca playing right now. You know I'm not a big soca fan.
You're a big soca fan.
I'm not a big soca fan.
Yes, you are.
I'm not.
You are.
There's only one time I listen to soca, and if it's Caravana time, and then they have like the 1-2 songs.
Even if I appear one year and say all you want, you're a soca.
No, don't lie. It was the headphones party we went to, and they had the soca station. Who doesn't, when Plants comes on, who doesn't listen to that? Or when Mashal comes on?
Yeah, big fan of soca. A 5 song me play already and me jump up.
There's like couple songs.
Watch.
But yo, I can't listen to soca all year round. I can't. Darling, na, 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 na. Last February is when I did it. For me. Can't hear it. Oh my god. I need a flag right now.
Yo. Oh, sick lad.
I need a flag. We're passing school right now. This isn't even a school, is it? It's sports day. This is the one thing I love about Jamaica, man. Their sports day are just so turned up. We're on our trying to get some fish right now. So we're just at the seaside getting some sea fish. We're scaling it right now.
Goldfish. Yeah.
It's a goatfish?
Maybe at this again they are goldfish.
Yes.
You can see goat with the thing.
So now start trying to make up. I got it. Now we finish me.
Like put your
No, you lean forward. Lean forward. That mean So it's dark, can't see.
All who not frightened from the big house, but now you let me hear you. Now me I call up one of the brothers, the Rasta you right now like business. What name? Jahmiel. True colors, my light to the colors. Spicy girl, I'm light to the colors. Jahmiel. I don't know for a minute. Only for things come with success. That man come with it, but how long was about my people can stop? Give me this. Yeah, man, that's why it's the end. I said the fight is real. I know it's it. So it's the end. No fight for no night. Honestly, like hell, man. Just think I know the side. We never do the look at that time. Once the end, over, you boy. Over. Yeah, get a fight when it's hard try. No lie. But just another post, yeah.